In today's video, you'll hear a message from Antarel, an Apunian from Alpha Centauri that was transmitted energetically to Oribel Joy Divine. As always with channeled messages, take only that which resonates with you and leave the rest. Please enjoy.
Thank you for inviting us once again to share from our hearts to yours. It is time for all the awakened humans to stand up and stand tall in their mastery. It is the plan for all masters of your planet to lead the way to the fifth-dimensional new Earth. Nothing less. We see a beautiful new world being created by the powerful new higher vibrational beings that you are. You have left behind the energies that keep you enslaved to the third-dimensional world. You have made a higher choice like all masters do. There is no more time to delay. You are asked to create the new, and in so doing you lead others on the path of ascension. Stay true to this divine plan. It is the plan that all ascended masters are familiar with. They are ceaselessly working with the ones who are leading the way. You may not see them, but they are there with you, guiding and supporting you in ways that would keep you building momentum. Focus your attention on that which you are being guided to create, complete, and achieve. And continue moving on to the next step. This is how you gain momentum. Be relentless. You have much work to do ahead of you when you lead the way for others to follow. Such is the way of the masters. Not a day goes by without you taking the staff of the masters and traverse the new path. It is a sweet victory for your planet. There is no turning back, onward you go, creating new pathways, new solutions, new perspectives, new creations. Nothing less than that. The whole entire universe is beaming with gratitude and awe at your achievements and all that follows. I am Antarel. We bid you farewell for now. Adonai.
End of transmission.